Alright, today is 2014 Civic Si. What I'm going to do is take out the AC compressor. Now, the bottom have a underneath cover. I took this cover out, okay, and then I undetached the power plug right there. On the top here, I'm going to remove this radiator support, so I probably can pull the AC compressor to the top. You can use a screwdriver or a trim plier like this one to take them out. Okay. Okay. After you take the trim out, you can use the L wrench, but I have this. It's number 5, so I'm not sure it was that probably what number 5 is. Okay, and both sides have that. And now take the radiator support, which is a couple bolt holding it. Take this out. Both sides has that. So one more from behind here. So both sides have one in the behind right here, holding the radiator support. This one right here, you probably have to remove the battery, but you probably don't have to. You have to move the bracket a little bit so it have play. Okay. So now I can have a little bit more room. Remove the radiator fans on this side. Okay. I'm going to disconnect this line right here. So make sure you drain all your AC and make sure there's no pressure before even disconnect this bolt right here, because it's a lot of pressure. You have to be careful if you don't empty your AC freon, and if you don't empty the system, that will be a lot of pressure will be blowing to you, and that's pretty dangerous. So now just detach the AC. Before you disconnect the AC compressor, make sure you disconnect the serpentine belt first. I forgot to do that, but I'm going to do right now, and that is number 14. Okay, now disconnect the line, and you can go down the bottom for the second line down here, or you can do from top here. It doesn't matter which way. I think I can do from top here. So 2 bolt holding on the top and 2 at the bottom. One more right here. So it look like the clutch is freeze on this, and you can see that they're burning of that. So I'm not sure, maybe they didn't put enough oil in there, because it doesn't sound like have any oils in there right now. Okay, Let me put the new one and get on the road. Okay, let's drop this down. So make sure you replay with the O-ring too, because you don't want to have a new compressor and you don't replace the O-ring. So that's very important right here. Okay, and there's another one in the bottom, so I'm going to do the same thing, the one in the bottom. Okay, everything now is being installed, so I'm going to put the belt in first. Okay, now to put the radiator fans in. Okay, now to put that one in.